Hello. Today I'm going to unbox this beautiful product, Wahl Professional. I just ordered it, so I just wanted to unbox in front of you. Before that, I would just want to show you how the box looks. Yeah. So this is a classical series, and it has most powerful motor, and it's made in USA. And to remember, it's a corded one. It's not cordless. I intently wanted to have a corded one, so I don't want to depend on any charging and battery, etc. Right? So yeah, and if you see the contents, they say there's this main motor, and there's a comb which they are given inside. There are 4 adjustable clips, and there's a liquid and there's a cleaner. So this is what they have. And the red one, what you can see, it's a red blade guard. Probably once we open, we'll see this is a guard which they would have put on top of the blade. Okay, so quickly guys, we'll go and open it just in front of you. The packing looks pretty neat. This is the comb, what they have inside. I'm just going to place it here. There's a booklet. Probably this will have the instructions. This is the warranty card, proof of purchase. Wow, it's a little heavy, but I like this. Looks a little manly. Wahl Super Taper. And this is the guard which I was mentioning about. You can still have a closer look. Yeah, and this is the cord. Let me try to just open the cord and show you how big it is. I mean, how lengthy it is. I mean, this information will be quite helpful for you when you take it to your bathroom or wherever you can play. It's quite lengthy. I mean, I don't know how exactly the length is, but it's quite lengthy. And I'll just place it here. There's another cover. Probably this would have the additional stuffs. Yeah, as they have promised in the box, there's one. This is number 3. Probably this is number 4. Number 2. And this is number 1. And this is the cleaner oil. And this is the brush for the cleaner. This is all what it is there in the box. And yeah, in this video I'm not going to on it and show you guys. Probably in the next video when we make, I'm going to show you on it and just give a sample video of that. It looks pretty handy. It gives a nice feel as it is. So yeah, this is what all I wanted to show you. Thank you, and please do like, share, and subscribe if you do like it. And thank you all, and all the best. Take care.